Hey Mike, I'm just gonna give you another video. I had to go get some stuff from Kelly Moore. Since I was telling you about the paint here in the house, the original paint is oil based. We bought some shellac, also some. These paint are going to be helping us be able to paint the doors, and when we put the other paint that we bought from Home Depot, it will stay on, and it will be nice and scratch resistant, and it'll stick better. And then I did want to touch base with you about this, the front door. We can paint it, or stain it, or replace the door. We can keep the door so we can keep it original, change out the locks, and then maybe put a peephole. But this can be painted. We sand it all down to bare wood on both sides, and then paint it. We can paint the door black if we paint the exterior trim. Just let me know what your thoughts are. So just FYI for your, and then so we got everything prepped up. We're almost, and we'll start getting some of these doors painted. They got it sanded, and just wanted to show you where we're at. It's already being caulked. We did all the seams, everything, all the little cracks are being caulked, everything, so that everything looks nice and clean when we turn it in. We're painting this white, this cabinet, so it matches the trim. We're actually going to leave this natural because it will consume so much paint just trying to turn this white. So this will be in its natural state. Anything but this way will be white. The bathroom's almost going to get ready. I'm going to wrap it all up in there. And here's our doors. We're washing the doors, we're cleaning it, and we're sanding it and caulking everything so everything looks nice and clean. I have the plumber coming in to look at the valves in the kitchen and in the bathroom and see what we can do to update these without breaking tile. And really, these are really old school. It's difficult to change a valve, but we could probably update these handles and stuff like that with a little more shiny chrome. And anyhow, that's the plan. We should have a better quality picture or better results by the end of this week. And before the end of the week, we should be getting materials for the roof, or at least ordered and then delivered, so that they're up on the rooftop. Or actually, we have to call the city, and so far the city would turn around to come and look at after the demo is about a day. And so if all goes well, the following day we'll come and continue install the shingles and drip edge and all that good stuff. Anyways, just wanted to keep you updated.